F-5T Tigris, also known as the F-5T Super Tigris 2025 variant, operated by the Royal Thai Air Force, Background and Upgrade Program. 0-1 Originally entering Thai service in 1978, the venerable Northrop F-5E Tiger II received two major modernization packages, the early F-5T SEU upgrade late 1990s-2000s, followed by the comprehensive F-5T Super Tigris modernization starting in 2018. 521-0 Under the B.Keyer.18 BC program, 14 airframes, 11 single-seat F-5ETH, 2 two-seat F-5FTH were upgraded in two phases by Israel's Elbit Systems in partnership with Thai entities RV Conics and Thai Aviation Industries. 801-01 two-seat F-5FTH serial 21105 was lost in a crash in late 2021, leaving 13 surviving Super Tigris aircraft planned to serve until around. Airframe and flight life extension. 1002-0 These upgrades include structural refurbishments extending airframe service life by approximately 2,400 flight hours, doubling from 7,200 to 9,600 hours, enabling operations into the early 2030s. Avionics, sensors and cockpit. 1275-0 The aircraft now feature modern glass cockpits with two multifunction displays, a new HUD with upfront control panel, an upgraded mission computer, video data recorders, environmental control systems, and have quick 2 radios. 1588-0 The primary radar is the Israeli ELTA LM2032 multi-mode fire control radar, enabling beyond visual range BVR air-to-air engagement and synthetic aperture mapping for air-to-ground targeting. 1848-0 Additionally, the indigenous Link T tactical data link now integrates the F-5Th into Thailand's networked fighter force, including Gripen CD and F-16AB aircraft. Weapons, helmet and defensive systems. Ordnance compatibility was enhanced to include Rafael Python 4 and Python 5 IR guided short-range AAMs. Rafael Derby active radar BVR missile. Deal Iris-T as well. 2050-4 These can be slaved via the Elbit-4 helmet-mounted display, providing high weapon designation flexibility by pilot eye vector. 24710 Ground attack capability improved with the integration of the Rafael Litening 3 targeting pod and Lizard 3 laser-guided bombs, plus Sky Shield jamming pods for self-defense and electronic warfare. Operational capability. 2743-0 The Super Tigris achieves 4.5 th generation capability, supporting daytime and nighttime missions, BVR air combat, high-resolution mapping, laser-guided strike, and networked operations across Thai fighter fleet. Strengths. Reliably modernized, equips a legacy light fighter with advanced avionics, radar, missiles, and network data link. Extended service life ensures viability into the 2030s. Effective weapons integration, especially Python Derby Iris-T missiles guided via helmet display. Multi-role utility, capable in both air combat and precision ground attack missions. Interoperability, seamless data link integration with Gripen and F-16 assets enhances Thai air defense cohesion. Limitations. Low radar cross-section speed constraints. Inherent limitations of the original F-5 airframe remain its small radar and engine power limit performance compared to modern jets. Limited airframe numbers, only 13 upgraded jets, meaning modest force presence. 3039-7 Weapons load trade-offs. The equipped F-5Th sometimes carries fewer missile pylons, e.g. 2 BVR missiles instead of 4 compared to older FCU models, trading missile count for helmet guidance and increased targeting flexibility. 4131-0 Upcoming replacement. Despite improvements, Planned introduction of Gripen EF and possibly F-35 will phase out the F-5Th by early to mid-2030s. Conclusion. The F-5T Tigris Super Tigris upgrade delivers impressive capability from a legacy platform, advanced radar, precision weapons, helmet cueing, digital cockpit, and networked interoperability elevated to a genuine 4.5 generation fighter. Though limited by airframe and payload scale, it is a cost-effective, indigenous modernized solution that bridges Thailand's modest fighter inventory until replacement jets enter service. For nations operating in budget-conscious contexts, the F-5Th exemplifies how modernization when thoughtfully executed can extract high utility and extended life from venerable airframes.